Hey lovelies, I'm on my way to this beautiful village of Stamford to visit the iconic Bagley House and Gardens. Literally, there's no train tickets for today, to and fro. I had to take the cab, but it's so much more comfy. Just wondering how busy it is in Stamford this weekend. Well, this video is part 2 of the 3 parts of the Bagley Estate tour, and I'm going to the annual Rally Rolls-Royce show. Oh my god, such a beautiful little green forest. It's so relaxing, right? Well, here we are, ladies and gentlemen. Where do I start? I didn't even expect this to be this amazing. Just realized I missed taking the pictures of the cars behind me. I don't want you to miss out. Can you tell me the name of the Rolls-Royce and Bentley makes just by looking at them? Let me know in the comments below. Oh, here's a treat for you, a charming boy band from the olden days.
2 hours in order to make sure when we're going to the class line everything's working smoothly. So we're having a Marshall's meeting at the Penthouse Tent, 2 p.m. So if anybody thinks they can spare us 2 hours tomorrow to help make things go smoothly, my Marshall, we'd be very grateful. 2 p.m. for people who
The company vintage and prestige cars showcase some of their classic Rolls-Royce models. Here they are: a 1020 Rolls-Royce Phantom 7, 1933 Rolls-Royce Hooper, a 1925 Phantom 1, Another company is Jonathan Wood Restorations. They also graced the event with their 1935 RR 2-door airline coupe, a 1938 Bentley High Vision coupe, a 1952 Bentley R-Type, and the 1937 Bentley Sedanka coupe. Do you see yourself in one of these beauties? What a stunning turquoise color. Well, let me introduce you to this 1922 Rolls-Royce Silver Ghost Chassis. With the permission of Rhiannon, the present owner and granddaughter of the late Michael Evans, P&A Rolls-Royce and Bentley heritage dealers were able to display this historic model to the public. Michael Evans, known as Mike, was a Rolls-Royce historian and remarkable engineer behind the restoration of Ghost Chassis. Here's a little chat with the beautiful Rhiannon herself. How old is it?
She's 1922.
Wow, 1922, that's
She
really
was built to design spec specifically for Colonel Broomhall, who escaped from, or tried to escape from World War II prison camp.
Yes.
Dressed as a Red Cross officer, because
Yes.
his Savile Taylor was in the same
Oh,
prison camp.
Savile Row, yes, yeah, I remember that.
And he got caught and got severely threatened with being executed by the prison camp commandant. He says, "I'm only in fancy dress."
Yes.
It's the fastest ghost ever built.
Yes.
Everything that wasn't necessary was taken off it.
Okay, yes.
Or never put on it, so you got no doors, nothing.
Yes.
It's got an Alpine Eagle engine, and it did about 85 mile an hour, maybe a bit more, I'm not
Yes,
sure.
yes.
But it beat the Bentley driven by Clement and a D'Souza on the A1
Yes.
in a classic gentleman's road race.
Wow,
That's what he wanted it built for.
its
Everything's
age,
dropped.
yeah.
The spare wheels, there's two because he wanted it symmetrical.
Yes.
Even the number plate's symmetrical, the
Yes.
dashboard's symmetrical. But he had them
Yes.
dropped on the design to make it more aerodynamic.
Yes.
And I call her
No wonder
Minnow,
it's
'cause
fast.
she's the one that keeps getting away.
Yes. It's beautiful. Guess the make and model. This is another beauty. I didn't get a chance to find out more about it. It's stunning. Is it? Well, interesting for girls, yes, because not here in Kenya we have like the Mercedes Benz. It's the same. I wonder if it's the same people because it's the Concours Delegance, but they do Mercedes Benz and BMW vintage. Yes, yeah. So when I saw this in UK, I thought I have to come and see. And my brothers are actually waiting for the videos. They can't wait. And I also bumped into this handsome gentleman and his beautiful wife. We had a chat about his charming 1950s Bentley. Yes. Hello. So would you like to tell us a little bit more about your beautiful car?
Thank you, that's nice of you to say. It's a 1957 car, so that's what, 65 years old. I bought it from the widow of the first owner,
Okay.
and it had been completely restored by P&A Wood,
Yes.
the premier restorers for these cars, just before I bought it. It belonged to a Greek ship-owning family, and the son of the original owner decided to have it restored for his father, to commemorate his father's 90th
Oh,
birthday.
nice, beautiful,
P&A
yes.
Wood set about this no expense spared restoration,
Yes,
and sadly, father died 3 months before it was completed.
yes.
But I bought it from the family via P&A Wood.
Ah, okay.
About 4 years after it had been completed.
Yes.
But it's a James Young body, and it's the only body to this design
Wow.
that they built, so it's completely unique. The design.
Unique, yes. Even the colored.
Did you look with your roam around? Did you look in the engine compartment?
Oh, in yes, I did take a video.
That's quite special.
It's very special, but I'll go around and take like a closer up look because it
So
was
it's
just
a rather special car.
Yes.
We have one with one with before. I would get up actually, but I've just got a temporary.
yes, not to worry.
Well, it's lovely
Yes,
to meet you. and
yes,
thank you
nice
for
to
taking
meet
such
you.
interest.
Yes, thank you so much for the little interview as well. If you love reading, check out more in my blog. The link is in the description box. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you'd like me to do more vintage, car or lifestyle events. Remember to like, comment, subscribe and share. Look out for the next videos on the Bagley House tour and my new chinoiserie vase, a new addition to my collection.